Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed yet, please do so before you leave. Just hit the red button down below and the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I post a video. I'm going to be trying out one of the newest products from the new line of Eden Body Works, and it is the hydration custard. I first shampooed my hair with two samples that I got from the Real Natural Hair Show. Then I detangled and conditioned my hair with the Aussie Moist Mega Moist conditioner. I deep conditioned with the TGI and Honey Miracle hair mask. I knew that this product was not going to give me any hold, so I figured I would blow out my hair. And as you can see, my hair has actually grown a lot since I got my trim back in, I believe it was February, but I will insert a picture if I can find one. I'll insert a picture of my hair being blown out and trimmed, and then you can compare it to what it looks like right now. But I think it basically just about almost grown back from that trim. I use this Revlon brush blow dryer. I wanted to try it out and see how it would work, you know, with blowing out my hair, and I think it did a pretty good job. I used the OMG Seal and Moisturizing Oil. I picked this up from the Real Natural Hair Show. Really nice moisturizing oil. Then I used the African Pride's leave-in, and now I'm going to start with the twist. I am going to be misting my hair with a little bit of water, mainly on the ends, because as I'm twisting my hair, I do want the ends to curl up so they'll stay in place. I have my hair sectioned off and how I'm going to style it. And I'm going to start off with this section right here first. So I'm going to brush out this section. I'm going to apply a little water to the end, and then I'm going to apply some cream. It's a very thick cream. It is very moisturizing. Then I'm going to apply a lot more to the ends of my hair as I twist down. Now I'm going to apply some oil to mainly to my fingertips. And let's throw the tip down. Okay, so my final thoughts. I like it. It's very moisturizing. My hair is very soft. It's really fluffy. It doesn't have any hold. So on a humid day or a rainy day, just be prepared for hella frizz. I do have some frizz in some areas, which is common for certain areas of my hair. The frizz that my hair actually has is not really actually showing up on camera, so I mean, but it is some frizz. It is some frizz. I really don't mind frizz that much, but my hair is super soft. It does have some definition. It is very fluffy. I do like the fluffiness of it. I think it did a really good job. If you are someone who really don't like strong hold creams but do mind your hair being slightly frizzy and very moisturized and fluffy, then I think that cream will be a really nice cream for you. So that's it. That's all I have for this video. If you like this video and my results, please leave it a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you've ever tried any of Eden Body Works cream stylers, and if you did, let me know how you like them. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video.